JamHub instrument, but what we need as well now is a backing track. So how do we connect into our JamHub to enable us to play along to a backing track when we're playing in the silent environment? The first thing that I need is something to play the track on, so you could use a PC or you could use an MP3 player or any playing device. So in my case I'm going to use a Nokia N95 8GB, and what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to connect in a lead I've got here. It's a stereo lead. Remember, the JamHub always works in a stereo image. So I've got the small jack which I plug into the side of the MP3 player, and then what I've got here is the other end of the lead. I've just got one of these enlarging adapters that I plug straight onto there, that then creates the size of jack that I need to plug into the back of the JamHub. So if we come over to the
currently I've got this hooked up into my home studio, so I'm going to unplug the current connection that I've got. And what I've got on the back here is I've got a connector now which I can put in anything I like, whether it be a PC, any form of playback. I can plug it straight into the back there, and I'm now in a position to mix my sound with the sound from my playback. So I'll set a track going. Okay, so I've set the track going, and as you can see here, what we've got is a little bit of peaking coming through on this. So what I need to do is I just need to turn it down a little bit to make sure that I'm not getting any red on there. So now that's looking pretty clean. The track's going to start properly in a second. So how do I then now control if I'm hooked in? So if we come back up to me, if I then take my headphones, and if I pop my headphones on, I won't do in this case because I'm obviously demonstrating to you guys. If I pop my headphones up and I would now put them on, and my control now for that track that's playing back through the hub is on the hub. You'll see an R. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you've got an R, and the R is the control for that track that I can now hear coming through on my headphones. So if I'm plugged in here to channel 1, so I plug my headphones in. I've got my overall headphone volume control there, and if you look here, here is the R, and I can now control the volume of the playback. I'm playing kit, and kit's coming in as well on channel 1, so my drum volume is here. You can see there now my drum volume's reading out along with the playback. I could now pop my headphones on, and I'd be able to now play along with complete control as to my backing track.